Hello guys, and I welcome all of you in this new video. Today I'm gonna talk on MyGoodShoes.com reviews, and let's find out that why it is grabbing a lot of attention, especially in the United States. Also, I would like to say that this is not our website and we are here to give you an unbiased review regarding this website. If you have any queries regarding the return or the refund, you can click on a description area and get the links for getting your money back. So let's find out that what is the site offering. My Good Shoes basically is totally on the basis of shoes, as the name suggests, and as you can see, it has women casual comfy leather slippers on sandals, and which is just for $32.99. And as you can see, apart from this, it also has number of bags, which I am just clicking, or you can also move on to the home page and you can find various varieties which are available. Apart from slippers, they also have bags, and their price is $39.99, and hence they are giving massive discounts. The product, this comfy woman casual comfy leather slip, is just for $32.99, and its original price was $49.99. Now if you want to find out that what is the mode of payment, it's American Express, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal and Visa. If you want to find out about the shipping policy, let's click on to the shipping and delivery. Here they have mentioned that the processing time is 3 to 4 days and the shipping time is 12 to 20 days. Now we will move further on the various other legitimacy checkpoints. So it belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Then its registration date was checked on WHOIS and it was found that it is registered on 3rd of February 2021, which is very much recent, and it's too early to be judged. Apart from it, it also has its About Us page. Let's click on to the About Us page. Here in the company info, we will get the About Us page. Here they have mentioned the MyGoodShoes.com is one of the world's leading online stores, and they have mentioned few things about its company. Now let's find out the Contact Us page. It has the email ID, that is service@mygoodshoes.com. And apart from that, there is no telephone number, company owner name is missing, and the company address is also missing, which is a negative sign. Now if you want to look at the social media presence, there is no social media presence. And if you want to check out its return and the refund policy, refund and return, it says that the policy is valid within 14 days. So if you have any queries regarding the return or the refund, you can post your thoughts in the comment box. Now guys, let's find out its customer reviews and its trust scores. So as this website is built very much early, it has very less traffic and its trust score is also very low when detected on Scam Detector, search engine and the Trustpilot. So on the basis of all the legitimacy checkpoints and its low website quality, its prices that are too good to be true, and recent registration, absence of social media icons and low traffic everywhere, I would claim that this website is a suspicious one, and buying products from here can be a bit dangerous. Let this website grow or build, and let's find out the customer reviews, and then you can make up a decision. And if you have any experiences or thoughts regarding this website, do mention in the comment box. Also, if you have any questions related to return and refund, you can click on description area to find the links to get the money back. So thank you very much, and before that I request you that do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.